What part of the net don't you get? Once upon a time, there were no electronic networks. Everyday people communicated by mail, by telephone, or they had to go and see each other physically. And then the internet was born. People began connecting electronically. Connections begat connections. Soon everything was connected to everything else. A parallel universe sprang up alongside society. The internet became an integral part of business and leisure. Those who weren't fluent in using the net were marginalized. Not only that, everything happened faster and faster and faster, and you were required to proclaim your network identity and figure out what you were going to do. What you're going to do is become fluent in the way that networks work. And that involves three things. One is making sense of stuff, PKM, grokking, and also giving back, because that's part of the way you cement knowledge in, through showing good karma. Collaboration, making connections with people, knowing the etiquette for doing so, the protocols, getting experience co-creating stuff. And finally, connection, simply conversation, sharing things, fellowship, enabling serendipity to happen. This creates a full participation fluently in a networked world. Are you there? Well, you can ask yourself, can you find what you want on the net? Does the net help you make sense of the world? Do you work well with people you've never met face to face? Are you a good network citizen helping make the net a better place? Do you navigate networks with ease? All these come down to whether or not you're fluent with network behavior and structure.